the difference between Medicare and Medicaid? Medicare pays for a nursing home.
Another great question. I wish when these programs were devised, somebody had given them different names because inevitably there's a lot of confusion. To answer the second question first, Medicare will not pay for the nursing home. And let me explain why there's confusion over that. Medicare started under President Johnson back in the 1960s. At that time, if, for example, you needed a hip replaced or something like that, you went into the hospital, you had the surgery, you recovered in the hospital for a couple of days, and then you remained in the hospital and received physical therapy, instructions about how to use a walker, how to sit down without torquing your hip, and so on. Then somewhere, I think in the 80s, somebody got the idea that, you know what, we could provide that therapy at a much cheaper cost if we discharged people to a nursing home. And so now, after you have something like a hip replacement, you recover for a few days and then you go to the nursing home where you might receive 20 or 30 days of therapy and rehab. Because of that, and because Medicare pays that nursing home bill, a lot of people are under the misconception that Medicare is going to pay for all of the nursing home. The distinction is simple. Medicare pays for therapy that you receive in a nursing home setting. It does not pay for long-term care in the nursing home. Medicaid, on the other hand, is what does pay for that long-term care in the nursing home. An easy distinction, which I admit is oversimplified, but an easy distinction is, think of Medicare as health insurance. Part A pays for the doctor, Part A pays for the hospital, Part B pays for the doctor, Part D pays for prescriptions. So Medicare is like health insurance. Medicaid is like nursing home insurance or long-term care insurance. So that's one way to keep them straight in your own mind.